All right, I decided to use my favorite machine learning algorithm, which is XGBoost, the same one that I used for sports betting algorithms in the past because it excels at analyzing nonlinear data, which if you believe in the randomness of the market, this is perfect for this, just like it was perfect for sports betting algorithms as well. So right now it's enhancing the TR bot's entries and exits by utilizing all of the data that it took in a supervised fashion. So it's making better decisions of entries and exits by utilizing all of the data that was presented to it. As you can see, it is cooking. And I'm going to show the results at the end. I am going to drop a YouTube video tutorial on how to build this backtest with XGBoost. And then we're going to focus on actually adding XGBoost to TR on the NinjaTrader platform. So that's going to be very exciting in the future. So see you guys. Peace.